How to small talk about sports. Feel stuck in silence when people around you talk about sports? This video will help you join in and never feel left out again. Small talk about sports is one of the easiest ways to connect with people, especially in the US, where games like football, basketball, and baseball are a big part of everyday life. You don't need to be a sports expert. You just need a few simple phrases to show interest and keep the conversation going. Let me show you how. Phrase number 1. Did you catch the game last night? This is a classic. You're not saying which game, you're just opening the door. Real life example. You're at the office. Someone walks in with a Yankees hat. You say, "Did you catch the game last night?" If they say yes, you can follow up with, "That ending was crazy, right?" Or, "I didn't see it. Was it any good?" This works even if you didn't watch it. It just shows you're interested. Phrase number 2. Are you a fan of? This is perfect when you notice someone wearing a sports jersey, hat, or even watching something on their phone. Example. You see someone in a Lakers hoodie at a coffee shop. You say, "Are you a Lakers fan?" If they say yes, you can add, "They've been playing really well this season." Or, "I used to watch them back in the Kobe days." Even if you don't know much, just asking the question is enough to get things started. Phrase number 3. I'm not a big sports person, but everyone seems excited about the playoffs. This one is great if you're not really into sports, but still want to join the talk. Example. Someone's chatting about basketball, and you say, "I'm not a big sports person, but everyone seems excited about the playoffs. What's the big deal this year?" This shows honesty and curiosity. People love to explain what they're passionate about. If this is helping you feel more confident about small talk, hit subscribe so you don't miss out on the next topic. We've got more real-life phrases coming your way. Phrase number 4. I just started getting into. Any teams you recommend I follow? This one is great for building a deeper conversation, and you're letting the other person lead. Example. I just started getting into soccer. Any teams you recommend I follow? It's friendly, curious, and gives the other person a chance to share their opinion. Phrase number 5. Who are you rooting for this season? This question works anytime, at work, in a bar, even on a date. It's open-ended and shows you're part of the moment. Example. So who are you rooting for this season? Follow up with, "Nice. I've heard they've got a strong lineup this year." Even if you're just repeating something you heard on the news, that's enough to keep it flowing. Don't worry if it feels strange at first. Every small talk pro was a beginner once. You don't need to impress anyone. You just need to show interest, be real, and keep it light. Mini recap. So remember, here are 5 easy ways to start small talk about sports. 1. Did you catch the game last night? 2. Are you a fan of? 3. I'm not really into sports, but everyone's talking about. 4. I just started watching. Got any teams I should check out? 5. Who are you rooting for this season? Start with any of these, and you're already in the game. If you want more help with small talk, check out the playlist on my channel. This is part of a full series, so don't forget to go watch part 1 if you haven't yet. It covers small talk about the weather and daily life. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, share it with your friends who are learning English, and drop a comment telling me which phrase you'll try first. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe. More simple, confidence-boosting English lessons are coming your way every week.